So multiplication of matrices using Excel, and you will be able to solve real world problems. We're going to use this textbook to get our problems. So we're going to start with problem number 19. So you go to Excel. Problem 19 says 1, -4, 3, -2. So 1, -4, 3, -2 was our first matrix. Second one is 4, -1, 0, -3. 4, -1, 0, -3. All right. I should have done this before, so I want to insert a column so that way I can put the problem number so I know what problem number I'm working on. This one was number 19. All right. So in order to multiply a matrix, we have to use a function called MULT. So a function always begins with what? Equal sign. So equals MULT. Except what did I do wrong? When I'm working with a matrix, what do I have to do? I have to select for the answer. So my answer is going to be a 2 by 2, and we know that because when we do our, guys, I need everybody looking up here at the front of the board, please. Everybody looking at the front of the room. I'm waiting. James, I need you looking at the front of the room. I need you looking up there so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so you select the 4 boxes, a 2 by 2, and you know it's going to be equals MULT, and then you select the first matrix, comma, select the second matrix, and parentheses. Now, what was the important thing that we did with when we were working with matrices? There was one thing that's very important. So if you hit enter, what happens? It says what? But it's not a matrix. When I just hit enter, it just gives me one number. I needed to give me the answer as a matrix. So what was it that we had to do so it would give us an answer as a matrix? Back when we were using Excel, when we were doing adding and subtracting and scalar multiplication, what was it we had to do differently? Yes, we did name them, but we don't have to for this one. You can, but you don't have to. It was something special about the way we hit enter. We had to hit Control and Shift at the same time and then enter. All right, so that is the same thing. So you have to do your answer. We know it's going to be a 2 by 2. So equals MULT. Select matrix 1, comma. Select the second matrix. And then you have to do Control Shift and then Enter at the same time. And sometimes it works on the first time and sometimes it doesn't. Array 1, comma, matrix 2, and then Control Shift and Enter. And I do not know why mine is not doing right, but it is Control and Shift and then Enter. Comma, Control Shift, Enter. There it went. All right. Control and Shift and Enter. All right, so problem number 20. Let's try it. Number 20 says -6, -2, 0, and 3. -6, -2, 0, 3. -1, 4. -1, 4. 5. -5, +3. -5, +3. Equals. Oops. We know our answer is going to be a 2 by 2. So we have to highlight a 2 by 2. Click in the box. Equals MMULT. First array, comma, second matrix, Control Shift, Enter. Alright, so let's try one that's not on there. This one, I'm making this one up. 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 7. 4, 5, 7, 5, 8, 10. Alright, so we have matrix A and matrix B. Alright, so what's the first thing I'm going to do? Okay. Control Shift, Enter. Uh-oh. I know we did our steps correctly, but what's wrong? Why did it come back hashtag value, hashtag value, hashtag value? Do what? It was. Alright, so what do I know about the first one? What's its size? So this one is a 2 by 3. And what is this one? 2 by 3. So what do we know? Can I do it? No. So what is this called? Undefined. So when you get on your Excel and it comes back hashtag value, 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 hashtag value, 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 then that's another way. So what would our answer be for this one? Undefined. So you would put undefined somewhere. So when it comes back like this means it is undefined. All right. Make sure you are highlighting your answers, so that way I know which ones your answers are. Any questions on how to enter these into Excel? No questions? All right, your assignment is going to be from this book. Problems 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. 35 through 40. 35 through 40.